So yeah, we are heading out. We're going to Jimmy Mall.
Hi.
Hi! Dito take a photo of Kuya and I Geneva. Photo yan. Di puro floor. Thank you. Same
We're
outfit.
wearing matching outfit.
Yes. This is from Lefties and then our pants is from... Wait.
Max.
No.
No R&B.
No. I think it's from Gift Market, if I'm not mistaken. And
No.
also,
Mama, it's R&B.
my sandals from Shein. And Baby Girls is from Gift Market. Let me see, Bebe.
Sandals.
Alpha, fit check. Char. Baby girl. This one?
Yeah, yellow.
You want to watch it? After exams with Papa. We are at McDonald's. We're waiting for our order. Right?
Yeah.
Let's eat, buddy. Sarap. Hindi siya maanghang. Kala ko maanghang eh. Enjoy! Nag-scuba diving kanina si Bebe Boy. Kaya kakabalik nila. We are heading to the, magpapa-haircut siya. Kasi ang kapal na ng buhok niya, oh. Yan. Buti pagka nagda-dive ka, hindi natatanggal yung tali. Because it's not. So yeah, magpapagupit siya after nito. Kain-kain lang muna kami. And then, iniwan kasi namin si Papa Bear Doodle sa bahay. What is for dinner, bebe? Gutom ka pa. Mag-pasta na lang ako, no? Kasi nag-chicken ka naman and everything. Bandan. Chicken banana? Buddy! Nagtitripan niya si Buddy, ha? Nag-mall yarn. Mall si Buddy, boo. Busog ka na?
I can still eat. Right now is science.
You're okay with the other exams. Which one is your favorite exam? Math?
English.
English? Are you sure? Your
Me
English?
too.
I'm expecting a lot from your English this term.
Me
ah.
too. It's very easy.
Really? Sure ka? We are here at Watson's. We're looking for something for baby girl. This one, Kanto for kids.
Canto for kids.
For your hair. For your frizzy hair.
175 milliliters.
Yeah.
Mexican.
We are at Max checking for
There's
stuff.
two different.
Pero checking lang. We're not buying anything. Kasi wala nang sale. Tapos done shopping. Ayan. We just bought some supplies. Sudoku books and word search books in Daiso. And even notebooks and all that stuff. So now we're heading to Bebe Boy's haircut. Tsaka ko na, oy. Kaloka. Push pa din. Laban.
Exactly, so no one knows that me.
Nakakahiya talaga mag-vlog pag daming tao na sasalubong. Tamang hanas lang.
But just so you know, it's
So, ayan. Push. Daming tao, guys. Let's go. Ayan. Waiting game na si Bebe Girl and Buddy. And Kuya is there. He chose to come here rather than in care zone. I don't know why. Maybe he prefers the way they cut here. It's cheaper though. Dito kasi ano lang siya, 15 dirhams, tapos bibigay siya ng tip na 5, so total of 20. It was cold, hot. Diba, Bebe Girl? Maginit? Oh, waiting game kami dun kay Kuya. Siya na nag-decide kay Kuya kung ano yung cut niya. Diba? Hindi na si Mama. Usually kasi pag nagpapakita ko ng picture, hindi na niya kailangan. Sabi niya, alam na niya kung anong gusto niya. Sabi ko sa care zone, ba't ayaw mo? Kasi daw parang ginagano nila, parang nakikiliti siguro. Sabi ko, ganun talaga, right? Ang ganda ng outfit natin ah. Gigil mo ko. Ayan, busy na agad si baby girl. May pinagkakaabalahan ng person. Tingnan niyo, nabili niya from Daiso. It's very nice, right?
Yeah,
Ay! Nalaglag, sorry po.
it's fine.
Tapos yung isa, wait lang, buddy, alis ka muna dyan. Eto, regalo daw niya sa teacher niya. Word search din, pero ibang color. So, ayan. And Bebe Boy got a notebook. This is really nice. It reminds me of myself biking. Ano? Lipad ang buhok, friend. Ayan. Kulot pa more. So, ayan, the adventure begins. Very nice siya kasi may strap siya na ganito. It secures the notebook. Ayan, done na si Kuya. Ayun mo yung nose mo. Ayan, done na si Kuya. Talikod nga, be. Yito. Sana all. Balik na, balik. Oh, diba? Push mo yan. Nice? You like it?